Hi everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, ayan for today's vlog. We are in the farm with our toddler. It's our day off today at work. So, kaya ayan, samahan nyo kami sa aming ganap for today's vlog. Dito kami sa loob ng greenhouse. Ayan si Baby Aiden. Nagdadrive na ng maliit na truck. He's very excited. Merong mga manok. Cute. What's that, duck? He's so excited, my boy. Chicken and Calcoon?
Where's the Calcoon? Look, he's right there. Doesn't have any feathers, the poor guy.
Dada, he's everywhere. He don't want to stay in one place.
Hey there, no, come back. Ooh. These are mute ducks, actually.
So, ayan, nagbibenta din sila dito ng mga vegetable. Meron din mga prutas na galing dito sa farm. Ayan siya, takbo lang siya ng takbo. Come. What's that, cow? Meron silang playground dito, kainan.
That's just an emus. No, we're not allowed there, Ada. No. Stop. What's that? Oh, it's a bird. It's a big bird. Ostrich. And an emu over there.
What is that?
Emu.
Is this one?
Yeah.
It's a rabbit.
Where is it? Rabbits, Adrian. Rabbits. Rabbit there. Rabbit yellow. Oh, wow. Then there's a goat in here, but it's fine. No.
Does he drink water?
I took a sip.
So, ayan, napakainit kaya ayan, pinag-slide na muna namin siya. Good job. Yay. Do you have alpaca here? Come on, Aiden. Come here. Come here, mommy.
Oh, they have ponies and donkeys.
Mama, where's Mama? Hi! So, ayan, ito yung ganap namin ngayong weekend so far. Ang hilig na kasi niya sa animal farm.
Wow, look at that. Don't get too close.
Why?
They will attack you. These are not friendly animals, huh? Look how he does with the feathers. He's angry. You need to keep your distance from them. They're not friendly. Look at that. Okay, come on. Let's go see the horses. Where's the horses? Can you hold this a second? I want to put him behind my head. I cannot let him touch here. The fence is electrified. No. Here with Daddy. Not alone.
What is that sound he's making?
Donkey sound.
Is he crying?
no. Wait. Wait, Aiden, wait.
So, ayan, they are feeding the ostrich.
Ow, Aiden, ow. Ay!
Your legs on your neck also, B.
It's okay.
What happened, B?
You peck him.
B is bleeding!
Where? That's why I said to you with that.
I'm sorry, baby. It's okay now. It's okay. It's okay, baby. I'm sorry.
Absolutely nothing.
B is bleeding. Oh my God.
Relax, there's nothing wrong.
It's-
Here, we'll put a bit of water. Calm down. There we go. Where's the tissues, my love?
Inside.
I don't see any.
Please. It's below. Aiden,
Wait,
don't
Aiden,
go
no,
closer
close
to them.
No.
Baby, no! Magni, no.
They already forgot. Like, it's just...
Stop, baby.
It's okay,
It's okay.
It's done now.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. You see? Now you need to know you don't go near the animals like Daddy told you. Daddy told you it's very dangerous. Took a bit of the skin off.
We need to ask the first aid here. They should have.
No.
Aiden. Oh God. Why did it happen so like in a second?
Because you see the size of them, my love.
But how can you bleed?
Because they went for the leaves, but they got to his finger. They pick a bit from the finger.
Medyo meron sugat yung kamay ni Baby Aiden dahil dun sa pagpapakain ng ostrich. Hindi naman sobrang laki, medyo dumugo lang. Hinugasan na namin and kukuha kami ng band-aid dahil for sure meron silang safety aid dito. Buti na lang tumigil na siya sa kakaiyak. Nanlalambot ako. It's painful probably. Aiden, show mommy. Ayan, infect na yung kamay ni Baby Aiden, tapos nalagyan na namin ng band-aid. So, okay na. Ayan, naglalaro na sila mag-ama. What?
Drink a bit of water.
Is it okay now, your hand? Show to
Yeah, I
mommy.
cannot turn the finger because it's kiss, mommy, kiss.
It's okay. Good ginana. I love you.
The first encounter with an ostrich, Aiden.
I think he's hungry. Should we, do they have fries there or something to eat?
They need to teach him how to pedal at home with the tricycle. With all the pedals and everything. He needs to learn how to do it.
So, ayan, pauwi na kami. Alas 12 na dito ng tanghali.
Come on, Aiden.
Ang init na sobra. So, kaya medyo maaga kami nagpunta dito. Kasi hindi kami pwede magtagal. And, maghahanap kami ng makakainan namin ng lunch. Dahil yung mga food nila dito, mga pancake, wala silang mga hot food. Puro mga sweet. No, we go home. Come on, bye-bye.
It's okay, Aiden. Daddy's gonna clean. It's okay.
Gelieve uw wagen dringend te verplaatsen. Dank u.
Wow, we go eat. We go, Papa.
So, ayan guys, nakalabas na kami ng hospital. It's not a big deal, but we want to make sure it's okay.
We're just parents.
Yeah. So, ayan, after namin sa hospital, magle-late lunch kami. It's 2 p.m. na dito. And ito lang yung malapit na nakita namin. So, kakain kami ng McDonald's para lang makakain na.
I'll try getting it. Just kidding,
Happy meal for the happy boy. Oh.
Ethan, what's this? What's that? Wow.
So new one this time. It has the brown one, now it's blue. Here.
Babe.
Got our food too, mac wrap chicken. That has fries and double cheeseburger, and the boy is on dessert time, ice cream time. This is our pre-Father's Day celebration, although it's tomorrow. Ayan, nandito kami kina Mama. Nagdala kami ng pizza.
You have to crack the egg.
Crack the egg.
Dan kan ze biedt open, hè? Oh, maar je ziet. Ja, dat is niet gemakkelijk, hè? Kijk, hè?
Wow.
Oei.
Hi, tita.
Kita Kusha?
Kusha.
Alam mo, kumakain na ng ano.
Mama's preparing my sinigang. I love it. Is that sinigang fish, ma?
Yes,
I love it.
sinigang.
I prepared that on pizza. Home food. Baka subuhin ko si Aiden ng sinigang na sabaw.
Maasim sa kahapon lang niluto na. Same pa lang si Aiden.
Oo, susubuan ko.
He opened his mouth.
Oo. Oo.
Dinosaur.
Anak, eto sa inyo ha. Sa inyo lang yan. Kilala. Yan naman ni Lolo. Pogi, ano. Release. Kinakalehan sa.
Diba mag-school na siya sa January? Hindi, inumin. Maganda doon, o tumbler, na nilalagyan ng name. Yan, kumakain na ang baby Aiden ng pizza. Hi, sis!
I want to watch, football.
Margarita. Ah, who's playing? Belgium?
Netherlands and
Oh,
Switzerland.
okay. Ito, Belgium ma. Meron tayo ditong sinigang na dorada na luto ni Mami.
May
Mas gusto ko to kaysa sa pizza. Masarap pa rin yung lutong bahay.
Yung si Aiden na. Lekker?
Sarap.
Halika na, Pi. Ito na, Pi. Mabababad ko lang yung dynamic. Dami. O kami mag-cheers. Cheers kami, Aiden.
Cheers, Aiden. Cheers. He knows how to cheers with Lola. Cheers, cheers again. Ba, look, his cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers with Lola.
It's very warm.
From his tita, ano to? Belgian Red Devil. Aiden, kek. Hindi ba malaki?
Malaki. Kaya lang.
Wow!
Aiden naman. Aiden, pasok. Yaw-ho.
Ja?
Ice cream time. Binila kami ni Mama.
Toep.
Oo. Yeah, dalhin mo na lang. Ay, sarap naman ng Magnum Pistache ng dalawa, oh. Special yung sa kanila.
Siyempre.
Lekker?
Walang chocolate kasi nake.
Oh, the mama don't like it.
So, ayan guys, nakalimutan ko mag-outro kahapon, kaya ngayon na lang pagkagising namin. Nakauwi kami ng maayos kahapon and sobrang pagod namin dahil sobrang haba ng araw. And ayun, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and comment below for any ideas or suggestion na gusto nyo makita sa next vlog natin. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.